My name is Miss Tuljana. I'm from Chemistry A. Here I will explain about first about sampling strategy. Second about analyze contamination, and third about reagent contamination. And the first sampling strategy. The sampling must have a strategy so that the sample does not change when it arrives at the analyst to get accurate pressure. Sampling strategy and pressure preservation. Sampling is collection certain volume of a water body to be studied, with the smallest possible amount still representative and still has all the same characteristic as the water body. Sampling is divided into the following three steps. One, representative sampling. Two, transport and preservation of sample. And three, chemical analysis of sample or physical and chemical parameters. And A, the battle that will be asked to take sample must be clean and have been rinsed with distilled water first, then followed by the liquid that will be asked to fill the water and if possible. Make sure the bottle does not contain any contaminants from the previous analysis. The same applies to sampling equipment such as pipes, pumps, and edge. They must they must be clean and contain no residue from the old sample. In particular, the growth of mold and mildew must be prevented. B. Contaminants from metal of sampling equipment that can dissolve in the sample must be prevented. C. Iron, brass, bronze can be dissolved in acidic or alkaline water, while plastic and rubber material can be dissolved in industrial wastewater containing organic solvents or oil and gasoline. The sample can be taken separately using the bucket, plastic, or glass bottle. Often the end weight set, for example, with a light ring around the neck till with a rope, then put into reverse canal well, and so on. Taking sample at the curtain desk provided a closed bottle that can be opened when it reaches the desired depth. Another way is to add some can of foam that such sample from faucets can be taken with an over beaker or water to be closed, depending on the analysis plan. Consists of one section type, the depth of the sample, consists of one section type. The depth of the sampling point is limited to about 5 meters below the tool. 2 pumps, 3 cups to control frequency sampling, 4 to 4 dividend sample and to butter for mixed sample. 5 isothermic box containing butter of mixed sample by cooling by ordinary ice or dry ice, so that sample preservation can be carried out no later than 1 day before being brought to the laboratory. The disturbance that may arise during the store and transportation of sample are A. Gases such as O, dioxides, and CO2 can be absorbed by the sample water or can be saved from the sample water into the air. B. Suspended and colloidal substance can form their own blocks and precipitate. So that there are samples that become different from their original state. C. Some solute can be oxidized by the loss of oxygen so that it turns into other compound. SCON analysis contamination. Contamination is defined as the entry in unwanted compound into the sample during the sample pre-treatment process and during analysis. Source of contamination in sample can be from atmosphere, operator, equipment, water, and reagent. One, contamination of the atmosphere comes from particulate trace element. The simplest way to avoid atmospheric contamination of the sample is to offer the sample solution during the preparation and analysis process. 2. Contamination from the operator. The analyst can be assured of contamination to the sample to be analyzed either through the raised content or through the air. If it increases from the previous condition, it is called contamination. Example, does a cigarette smoke? How to reduce? It is the use of mask, gloves, and lab coats. 3. Contamination from equipment, glass, until cells. Solely caused by the dissolution of the container by the solution. At anti-space by washing the glass using a 1-to-1 mixture of concentration sulfate exit and nitrate exit for storage in salt is soaked in a dilute solution of the less 0,1 molar chloride exit and nitrate exit when not in us. other materials that have the possibility of contaminants, for example, glass, silica, or quartz. The possibility of contaminant comes from materials that are absorbed by silica is profuse as. Then plastic which contains additive. Then the next material, Teflon, can withstand temperature of 300 degrees Celsius and is inert to all analytical reagents. PVC contains high level of metal. Mass the plastic is contaminates with polymer such as zinc sterate on its surface. Rubber contains such as zinc oxide. Filter paper can contribute contaminant because filter paper also contains various metals. And 4. Contaminant from water. To reduce metal contaminant in water, the water needs to be passed first into the ion exchange resin column or at the least 2 times distillation. And third, about reagent contamination. Reagent can be useful for increasing concentration if or concentration, if not, what's the one we want. Contamination from reagent is group 1 mixed mineral acid and ammonia, 2 inorganic solid, 3 organic reagent or material to reach, and 4 the organic solvents. Mineral acid and ammonia. Mineral acid contain a number of certain metals. Differentiated strata such as A extra acid contain low level of metal. B ultra 4 contains a very low concentration of metal, but the constant of same elements varies from product to product. C. Analytical reagent grade acid containing the metal listed in the table to purify very small compounds by ultra-trace analysis. The acids are purified by distillation. Commonly, as reagents are chloride acid, nitrate acid, sulfate acid, and chloride acid. Ammonia solution in water placed in the glass bottle with the contaminated by silica, aluminum, calcium, and fabric element which might be caused by the effects of alkaline solution of the glass. Analytical reagent for ammonia can contain heavy metal in very low concentration. This is due to the metal absorption by the glass. 2. Inorganic solid. It is easy for a note to be used directly without purification, but a blank control solution must be prepared for purification easily by means of crystallization or filtration. 3. Organic reagents. Reagents are materials to reach coordinately band metals are actually derived from the solvent in the synthesis of the ligand. Is actually used in small amounts. Organic reagents or complex are actually in such small quantities that contamination can be neglected, but caution is required, for example, by using the reagent is blank. and for organic solvents or solvents. The metal content is relatively low, and this must be watched out from because it can interfere with spectrometry. This contamination can lead the loss of analysis. The factor of loss of analysis in the process of preparation, separation, and determination are absorption or can come from contents of HVD equipment, volatilization or evaporation, and precipitation or shaking or eating seed. For attention, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.